This tutorial will show you how to search the business databases for information on a business topic or a particular company. We'll begin on the Rickman Library homepage. Click on Databases by Title or Databases by Subject and select Business Source Complete. There are many search options on the business search interface. You are searching for business databases at once, Business Source Complete, which includes Business Source Premier, Entrepreneurial Studies Source, Hospitality and Tourism Complete, and Regional Business News. You can even include ebooks in your search if you want to. You have a basic search bar where you can enter search words. There's some ways that you can limit your search with filters. You can also do an advanced search or use AI-assisted search. There are quick links to business magazines, as well as to journals covering various disciplines in business. You can also go directly to company profiles, country and industry reports, SWOT analyses, and case studies, and so much more. There's so much to explore. Let's do a topic search first. We'll search supply chain management. Clicking full text will remove search results for which we only have access to the abstract, not the full article. You can still request those articles through interlibrary loan, so don't limit for full text if that's an option you're willing to pursue. Clicking peer-reviewed will return articles from peer-reviewed journals. Clicking the drop-down menu for all dates will allow you to limit your search for articles published in the last 1, 5, or 10 years, or a custom date range. Advanced search will allow you to be more specific with your search parameters and to add Boolean operators, such as and, or, not. AI-assisted search allows you to enter your research question in more conversational language, such as, what are the current trends in supply chain management? To read an article, click the button that says Access Options or Access Now. You can read the full article online. You also have tools to help you, such as suggestions for citing the article and ways to share the article or get a permalink to easily return to it. Click Home when you want to return to the business search interface. Now we'll do a company search for Amazon. Don't limit for peer-reviewed when you're searching for company information, because much of the information you'll need is considered gray literature and is found in company reports and data. You'll notice our first result is a company profile. You also have articles and news reports about the company. You can still identify and limit for peer-reviewed articles if you need those as well. Click on the company profile and access options. You'll find much information about the company, its employees, its competitors, a SWOT analysis, etc. Remember to click Home to return to the business search interface. And please contact a librarian if you have any questions about searching the business databases.